To add subtitles in YouTube video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add subtitles in your YouTube video. So as you can see that this is my channel, and on this channel I have uploaded these many videos and all of them are in English. And if you want to open the or add the subtitles to these videos, just simply click on this details section from the video in which you want to add the subtitles. And when you will scroll down over here, you can see that the subtitle option is currently disabled. In order to enable that, just simply click on this language section over here. And now you just simply have to select the language in which you want to show the subtitles. So I am selecting English over here. Just simply press confirm. And now as you can see that the subtitles will get added in the videos, and it will take some time for the video to generate subtitles. The video is quite long, it's 3 minutes 50 seconds, so this might take some time. And once this is done, you can go ahead and come back to the details section over here. And now when you will scroll down, you can see that the subtitle option is enabled. Just simply press on it, and now you can see that these are the subtitles for my videos. As you can see that the YouTube has automatically generated the subtitles for this particular video. And once you can see and read all the subtitles over here, and once you're satisfied, just simply click on done, and this video now has subtitles. And yeah, this is basically how you will be able to add subtitles in your YouTube videos. I hope you find this video to be helpful.